Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy sweater. And you're going to make 2 long sections and join them down the center front and center back. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. Start with a slip knot. Chain any number in multiples of 7 plus 1. When you have your foundation chain the length that you would like, in the 4th stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 double crochet, 1. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, and that will make the equivalent of 3 double crochet. Skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 3 stitches. In the next stitch, work a single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. And at the end of the row, you're going to skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the last stitch. For the next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Make 2 double crochet in that same stitch, 1 and 2. And that's the equivalent of 3 double crochet. Now you're going to go directly over to the next chain 2 space, and in that chain 2 space you're going to single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. In every chain 2 space, you're going to work single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. like that. In the next chain 2 space, single, chain 2, 3 doubles, 1, 2, and 3. At the end of the row, single crochet in the top of that turning chain. And we're going to repeat this row over and over. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 and 2. Go directly over to the next chain 2 space, make a single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, go to the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And after you have your 2 sections sewn together, you're going to fold your work in half and sew down the 2 side seams. And you're going to leave enough opening here for the arms. If you just want a sleeveless sweater, then it can be considered finished. If you want to add sleeves, you're going to attach your yarn here at the side seam under the arms. So there's my arm opening. So I'm going to attach my yarn here, under arm seam. And I like to lock it in. And chain 2. And that will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. And I'm going to skip 1 stitch, and then I'll double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. Skip a stitch, double crochet in the next. And I'm going to repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, there's my last double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first turning chain, and then that third stitch will be the equivalent of a chain 1. Now for every row, you're going to do the same thing, chain 3, and then you're going to double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, like that all the way around. When you finish the row, you'll chain 1, slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain. And then you'll repeat that over and over until the sleeves are as long as you would like them to be. If you'd like to have closed-in sleeves, you could double crochet in every stitch all the way around. And you can make short sleeves, medium sleeves, or long sleeves.